Hey everybody, we're going to be showing you some information on how to set up your gradebook so that you can get your MYP personal project and rubrics sorted out in your course. So first and foremost, this is actually Miss King's Tier 2 intervention class, and we want to make sure her gradebook is set up, so you also need to do the same thing. Click on gradebooks in the course. When you click on gradebooks in the course, you'll have your student list, and typically most people have not set this up already, so you go to Grades Setup. And I've actually already set hers up, but you will see nothing under categories here. So click the Add button. Do one generic assignment. You don't have to do formative, summative here, just do assignments because we'll be transferring these into Infinite Campus manually. And then change it from total points to percent and hit Create. Once you've hit Create, you'll see assignments here with a weight of 100 for both the quarter 1 and quarter 2 time period. None of this matters. It just allows us to get our rubrics set up. Once you've done that, you can go back to your materials class, or materials section, and you may or may not have this folder. If you don't have this folder, there's a really easy way to get it. Joyce Klassen always builds her assignments in your MYP group. So go to Groups, find your MYP Hillsborough group. If you don't see it here, you may have to click on My Groups and select it that way. Once you get into the Groups section, you'll notice that there is a Resources area.
Groups are turned off. You can't use groups.
In the Resources section,
Did you find out?
thanks Larry.
You figure out how to use it?
In the Resources section, you will find an MYP Personal Projects section, and all you have to do is click on the down arrow and add it to your MYP course. Simple as that. Once you do that, it will actually show up in your course. And that's how you get material into your class and your gradebook. So thanks to Larry Albers and Joyce Klassen and all the folks in the library who are copying and printing and chit-chatting. Hope it's been helpful information for you. Talk to you later.